sharing my screen. So first, how to create an organization. The organization creation, okay, we have two ways how we can create. First, click on add new, and see add organization. If company is having a GST number, provide the GST number and trade name. In case of GST number, trade name is required. If it is a PAN, registered name or legal name is required.
Okay.
So it's in Tarvata. So directly you will land it on the company details page. Once organization is created, you will land it on the settings, company details page. Here you have to provide the company mobile number and company email ID.
Okay. All the with the GST, na?
అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్ మొత్తం మనకి జిఎస్టీ నుంచి వస్తాయి. మొబైల్ నెంబర్స్ మెయిల్ ఐడీస్ రావు.
ఓకే.
ప్రొవైడ్ ఇట్ మాన్యువల్లీ. ఆర్గనైజేషన్ టైప్, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ నెంబర్స్. ఆర్గనైజేషన్ టైప్ is auto populated value. Registration number in case of company and LLP you can provide the registration numbers. It's an optional field. PAN name as per PAN, it will be fetched automatically from the GST database. Financial year start date. So always it will be April 1st in our case. No changes required. So by default it will be April 1st. What is the purpose of this particular start date is like for every financial year we have to reset our invoice numbers. So and financial year closures. So this is the date will be considered for creating a new accounts or fresh accounts.
Okay.
Financials lock అవుతాయి అన్నమాట ఆ పర్టికులర్ డేకి.
ఓకే.
మెయింటైన్ బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ కంపెనీ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ డేట్ నుంచి మెయింటైన్ చేయాలన్నా లేదా డేటా మైగ్రేట్ చేసుకొని ఒక పర్టికులర్ డేట్ నుంచి బుక్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలంటే ఇది స్టార్ట్ పాయింట్. సో ఇదేంటంటే ఈఆర్పిలో ఎప్పటి నుంచి బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి, దట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్.
లెట్స్ సే లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ మనం మాన్యువల్ గా ఆడిటెడ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్లు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో దాని నుంచి ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫస్ట్ టైం చేస్తున్నాం అనుకో అకౌంట్స్, అప్పుడు నేను 2026 చేయాలా 2025 పాత వేయాలా?
What is your last audited financial date?
March 2025.
2025 means then you have to give 2025 only. The immediate next day.
Okay.
So then accounting framework will have two, Indian GAAP and AS. So majority will be Indian GAAP.
Okay.
So reporting currency INR. So ERP లో కొన్ని ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా పోస్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఇఫ్ యూ హావ్ షెడ్యూల్డ్ ఎనీ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ ఈ డేట్ కి ఆ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి ఈ టైం కి. ఎస్పెషల్లీ
10 o'clock 10 AM
మనం ఏ టైం ఏమైనా సెట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఆ టైంకి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతాయి ఆ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్.
ఓకే.
సో ట్రాన్సాక్షనల్ రౌండింగ్ ఆఫ్ మాక్సిమం 2 decimals. సో ఈ కస్టమ్ ఈమెయిల్, సో దిస్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈస్ లైక్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ గా ఈమెయిల్స్ అన్ని no-reply@mybizzerp.com నుంచి వస్తాయి.
ఓకే.
ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సెట్ యువర్ ఓన్ మెయిల్ ఐడి janardhanreddy@gmail.com అనుకోండి. సో ఇక్కడ మీ మెయిల్ ఐడి కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే.
మెయిల్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్ ఇస్తే ఇంకా అన్ని మెయిల్స్ మీ మెయిల్ నుంచే వెళ్ళిపోతుంటాయి అన్నమాట.
ఓకే.
సో దట్ ఈస్ కస్టమ్ ఈమెయిల్ ఆప్షన్. కస్టమ్ డొమైన్ ఇది ప్రస్తుతానికి అవసరం లేదు. డిజిటల్ సిగ్నేచర్స్ కూడా యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ ఇప్పుడు ఏం అవసరం లేదు. జీరో వాల్యూ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ అది ఎస్కున్నా నో ఉన్నా నో ప్రాబ్లం యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ, ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఇన్వెంటరీతో డీల్ చేయట్లేదు కదా. If you are dealing with inventory, then only we need this zero value transactions.
Okay.
This is about the company details option, company details setting. It's a one time.
Okay.
Now statutory. So we have two major things. One is the TDS, another one is the GST. GST includes e-bill, invoicing, and regular GST filings.
Okay.
First we have
TDS is one part, second part GST, na?
Second part GST.
Okay.
So first, for any company, if you want to deduct TDS or if you want to collect the TCS, first enable the option here. Applicable date, PAN number, type of deductor. So these 4 values. Once you have enabled, then TDS will be enabled automatically. So other cases, ledgers కానీ లెజర్ క్రియేషన్ పార్ట్ కానీ ఏవైతే డిఫాల్ట్ గా వస్తాయో అవన్నీ ఆటోమేటిక్ ఎనేబుల్ అయిపోతాయి.
ఓకే.
సో ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద GST. సో GST రిలేటెడ్ 3 things. GST రిటర్న్ ఫైలింగ్, ITC sync like GSTR 2A 2B sync ప్లస్ ఇన్వాయిసింగ్, ఈవే బిల్స్. ఇవి మొత్తం ఈ సెక్షన్ ద్వారానే హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే.
సో ఫస్ట్ మీరు జిఎస్టీ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వగానే దాని కేటగిరీ ఏంటి, ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. రిటర్న్ ఫైలింగ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఏంటి అనేది.
ఓకే, రెగ్యులరా? ఓకే.
సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ ఇట్ monthly or quarterly, you can shift from here.
Okay.
So file GST returns from. You might have filed all your GST returns for last financial year.
Correct.
Like up to 31st March 2025, you might have filed, and till date also you might have filed. If you want to do the ITC reconciliation for the last financial year 25-26, like April 2025, you can keep.
Oh, okay.
So that from this particular month onwards, GST returns will get generated.
Okay.
So PAN of the authorized signatory, name of the authorized signatory. So if you want to file GST returns from the ERP, then we need these two values. So,
okay. Otherwise it is empty.
Yes, otherwise it is empty. GST login username. So we need the username to sync the GST ITC statements, especially 2A, 2B and IMS.
Okay.
So sync చేయాలంటే username కావాలి. ఆ username ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ చేసేసి GST లాగిన్ లో API యాక్సెస్ అలౌ చేయాలి.
ఓకే. బై లాగిన్ లోకి వెళ్ళి ప్రొఫైల్
లాగిన్ లో ప్రొఫైల్ సెక్షన్ లో API యాక్సెస్ అని ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే.
సో
అది
కూడా వన్ టైమ్.
ఓకే. ERP ಗೆ GST ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ then we need to go to profile, there we need to give access. ಇವನ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಲ್ವಾ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ authentication, ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
So this one, enable API request, always yes. Then it will get synced. Data will be synced in the ERP system.
Okay.
Additional plus of business ఉంటే ఇక్కడ కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసుకుంటాం. Now ఇన్వాయిసింగ్, ఈవే బిల్. So ఇన్వాయిసింగ్, ఈవే బిల్ రెండింటికి క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటాయి. ఈవే బిల్ కి, ఇన్వాయిస్ కి క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ ఆల్వేస్ సేమ్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ద ఈవే బిల్ లాగిన్ క్రెడెన్షియల్స్, యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ద ఇన్వాయిసింగ్ ఆల్సో.
ఇన్వాయిస్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏపీఐ అథెంటికేషన్ ఇవ్వాలా?
ఏపీఐ ఒక యూజర్ ని క్రియేట్ చేసి ఏపీఐ యూజర్స్ ఇచ్చేసేయాలి. ప్రస్తుతానికి నా దగ్గర క్రెడెన్షియల్స్ లేవు, చూపిస్తా ఒక 2 minutes.
ಆ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಇಂದ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ API యాక్సెస్.
అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ లాగిన్ అయ్యి చాలా ఓటీపీస్, డేటా మొత్తం ఫిల్ చేయాలి, మళ్ళీ 2-3 టైమ్స్ చేయాలి. సో దానికోసమే.
ಬಿಲ್ಗೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ OTP ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
సో ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు ద రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ GST. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ ఓటీపీ వస్తుంది. కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసేటప్పుడు చాలా ఓటీపీస్ వస్తాయి మనకి.
ఓకే. వన్ టైమ్ ఓన్లీ నా శివ?
This is one time only. You can see 4 options: view, add new, freeze, change password. Go to the add GSP, చార్టర్డ్ ఇన్ఫో అని ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ చార్టర్డ్ ఇన్ఫో సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఒక యూజర్ నేమ్, పాస్వర్డ్ ఇవ్వాలి.
ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ సిస్టమ్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్,
చార్టర్డ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ సిస్టమ్స్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్. ఒక యూజర్ నేమ్, పాస్వర్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి. మనం కొత్త క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ యూజర్ నేమ్, పాస్వర్డ్స్ యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత సేమ్ డేటా తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేసేయటమే.
సేమ్ ఓకే. సేమ్ యూజర్ ఐడి పాస్వర్డ్,
యూజర్ ఐడి, పాస్వర్డ్స్. వన్స్ ఇస్తే వ్యాలిడ్ ఫర్ 3 years.
ఓకే.
3 years వరకు ಟಚ್ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
ಓಕೆ. ಒಂದು ಯೂಸರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಯೂಸರ್ ಐಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 years. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಅದು ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Once you set the credentials for invoicing, same credentials are valid for e-way bill also.
Okay.
To set up one more time.
e-way bill right now, as of now.
I'll raise one e-way bill now, okay? So I have set the username and passwords. We'll go to the sales register, add new. So I'm raising one e-way bill now. And
Sales invoice already is there, huh?
Sorry.
Sales invoice already raised, huh?
No. I am raising the sales invoice first.
Okay.
So test values I have considered as invoice value 12 rupees. Don't ask me, it's less than 50K why you are raising. So this is for sample purpose. Now you can see invoice is there. Okay.
This is
one line. Right side you can see truck symbol. Generate e-way bill. Generate
vehicle details, huh?
Yes. Vehicle details are transporter ID.
Okay. GDA.
Generated successfully.
Part B details?
Part B, I have given the vehicle details. This is how it works.
Okay.
So you will have a separate report also for monitoring the e-way bills.
How many issued, how many cancelled, like that?
Yes. So it's go to the reports, GST section, e-way bill.
Okay.
You can see there is one active e-way bill. So if you want to extend the validity or change the vehicle number, so you will have the controls here.
Okay.
Let's say if you want to show,
including cancel also.
Including cancel also.
Okay.
Let's say if you want to send this e-way bill copy to any of the person, you can provide the email ID, then click on send mail.
Okay.
I'm giving yours. Correct?
janardana@gmail.com. NADHANAREDY.
Okay.
DHANA @gmail.com. Correct.
Now you will get mail. Mail sent successfully. Now check your mail, you will get an email with PDF copy.
Correct.
So you can perform all other actions.
No reply, I got a mail.
Yes.
With the attachment of PDF, right? That is
yes.
e-way.
This e-way bill, you can see the attachment.
Okay, fine.
That is the use of e-way bills.
After company details, after company creation,
yes.
Then statutory settings, we are into TDS and GST.
Yes. The GST, we have tested the e-way bill option.
Correct.
So now we will go to the e-invoicing. For that, I'll open one more organization where e-invoice is applicable. So you just need to enable e-invoices, give the effective date, same credentials you can use. E-way bill, whatever you are using, use the same credentials.
Okay.
Once the setup is done, go to the sales register. First generate the invoice. First generate the invoice. Regular invoice.
Okay.
Form fill చేసి రెగ్యులర్ ఇన్వాయిస్ జనరేట్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి
starting date you have to give this financial year date only, na, for sales register.
Yes. So you will get an option right side, you can see generate e-invoice option.
Okay.
Just click now. So this is already generated. If it is not generated, you will get an option.
I know.
So in other cases, I will show you. You have seen two options, right? Generate now, add new. So So if you click on generate now, we'll generate the invoice. So
no
in
OTP
case,
even after generating.
sorry, even after generation.
For generating no OTPs and all. It will
No
ask, right?
OTPs. No OTPs for e-waybill and invoice.
Okay.
So once e-waybill is generated, you can see the IRN number, QR codes is printed.
Yeah, let's say from April 1st to April 30th, we have issued around 30-40 invoices.
Okay.
In the month of May first week, let's say
Okay.
May 1st or 2nd, we need to issue all e-invoices. How to
Okay.
tackle all at once, or we need to go with one by one?
No, we have first generate the sales invoices. Select all. You can see the option generate invoice.
Oh, generate e-invoice.
Yes. For all 30, it will generate one by one. Once e-invoice is generated, PDF also will get updated with QR codes and IRN details.
All
Okay.
30 will get at once, e-invoices.
Sorry, come again.
All 30 e-invoices will get at a time, huh?
Yes, at a time. Maximum of 500 at a single instance you can generate.
Okay.
Hardly they
normal invoice. Sales register ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have to enter all the sales invoices. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಾರೀಕು ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ 30th ವರೆಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. OTP ನೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Understood? Once invoice is generated, you will get a tag like this for each invoice.
Invoice, okay.
If e-waybill also generated, you will get a truck symbol.
ಇದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಂಜೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 30-40 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ 30-40 ತರ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಈ ತರ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್ ಸ್ವಾ.
So e-invoice, e-waybill clear. So if we have generated any invoice by mistake, we want to cancel. So there is a separate report under GST section e-invoicing. So here you can cancel.
E-invoicing, okay.
So whatever within same day, not 24 hours. So same day only. Okay. So let's say take a scenario. You might have generated e-invoice on the portal itself directly. Okay. In such case, what you have to do? Here, the same option, generate invoice. You can see add new option. So whatever the IRN number, acknowledgement number, date generated from the portal, give the values, submit, so that this particular invoice also will get updated as per the details.
Updated, saying that it is invoice already raised. ಒಂದು 5-6 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಫೋಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ IRN ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
So e-waybill also same. If you have generated from the portal, use this add option, e-waybill number and date. System will check whether the details are valid or not. If it is valid, then only you will get a success message.
Okay.
If you give some random number, it won't allow. You have to give the perfect numbers.
IRN numbers.
IRN number or e-waybill numbers, both the cases.
Okay. For us, e-waybill no need as of now.
So even some cases, people will generate the e-waybills directly, right? So you use this option, get EWB by date. Particular date. You will
input goods you are saying?
Sorry. Import or export. కొన్ని కేసెస్లో ఏంటంటే మనకు తెలియకుండా క్లయింట్స్ జనరేట్ చేసేస్తారు e-waybills.
మనకి ఇన్పుట్ వాళ్ళకి అవుట్పుట్ కదా.
దోస్ కేసెస్ ఏంటంటే ఎప్పుడు జనరేట్ చేసామో డేట్ ఇస్తే మనకి డేటాబేస్ నుంచి సింక్ చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. ఎన్ని
పర్చేస్ బిల్ జనరల్లీ. పర్చేస్ బిల్ కదా శివ.
Yes. So ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా ఇన్వాయిసింగ్ అండ్ e-waybill రిలేటెడ్?
Any doubts? No, sure. Go ahead.
Okay. So now the GST related major part, ITC. So first, and make sure GST login username and API access is enabled. First case. Then go to the ITC statement and reconciliation report. It will take some time because I'm having a huge volume of data in this. So GSTR 2B, you can see all the options: GSTR 2A, IMS, 2B, books, matched, mismatched, not in books, not in 2B, all the tabs.
Mainly
So,
books versus 2B, no? Generally, for us.
Sorry, come again.
Books versus 2B.
Books versus 2B. This is basically ITC reconciliation report. So first we have to get the data from GST portal. For that, you'll have two options: import and sync. You can see all the active means data already imported into the ERP system.
Okay.
Pending means data not yet imported in the books of accounts.
Okay.
So you will see two options. One is the sync, another one is the import 2B. Sync means you will get a OTP on the GST registered mobile number once.
Okay.
Only once. Once you have to give the OTP, then it is valid for that particular day.
Okay.
So whatever the transaction.
Syncing only it is required, right?
Sync and filing GST returns. These two cases. So only one OTP is enough for whole day. Sync, if you click on sync, you will get a OTP. Okay. So OTP ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మనకి data sync అయిపోతుంది. You can click on all other options directly. Sync. No, OTP is not required from second time onwards.
Let's say month ending ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಂಜೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೇನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು 2B ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 2B GST ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ OTP ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. GST ಯಾರು ಯೂಸರ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ OTP ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ದೇರ್ OTP. Once we give OTP, it is valid for one day, complete day. So sync ಮಾಡಿ 2A 2B ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ reconciliation, the same OTP will not ask again and again. Go ahead, Siva.
So if client is not providing the OTP, use the second option. Okay. For this, log into the GST. Same navigation is same. Go to the GSTR 2B.
JSON file you can download. Okay.
JSON you can download and import it in the ERP system.
Oh, okay.
JSON client.
Your manual sync.
First option is the direct sync. First option is the direct one. Second option is the manual. The portal is not working. GST portal. We'll see. So if you upload the JSON file here, the same case will happen. The status will be turned it as active. Once data is imported, click on the reconcile button.
Okay.
So system will check books versus 2B. I am having almost 600 records. All the data is verified.
In my case, Siva, I'll tell you on an option. In books, purchase bills, they will not give each and every purchase bill. Some people will give, some majority service providers, we need to see based on 2B only. In that case,
okay. I'll tell you the case. Okay. So now I have done the reconciliation. You can see the each invoice status. ITC availed means record is available in books and 2B. So mismatched. Record is available, but there is a difference. So now I'll go to these respective tabs. So not in books. So this is the case you are explaining. The record is not accounted in books of accounts.
Can I put one simple click and it will update into our books?
See. So I'm going to check the third transaction, journal enterprises. So I'll have two options here: add to purchase, add to journal. So I'm going to click on add to journal.
Okay.
All the data is auto-populated. You have to map the ledger, expense ledger.
Okay, whether it is repairs and maintenance, whether it is office expenses or anything.
Yes. Okay. Once mapped, then record will disappear from not in books case.
In books, okay.
So you can post it
What
one by
about
one.
books it is there, but 2B is not there.
That will be not in GST or 2B case. So you can send an email to respective supplier.
Oh, okay.
So you can select all, click on send mail, or else you can set it on autopilot mode also.
Every day it will go, or how it will be?
It
Reminders.
will be on every month 15th. So automatic mail means every month 15th. It will do the reconciliation on 15th and it will send an email.
Okay.
So, manual means you can select the respective transactions.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ 2B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಇದೆ, 2B ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಬಟ್ 2B ಸಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, 2B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 10th ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ we can click, we can send a mail to all at a time. ಅಥವಾ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ 15th ಗೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, ಈ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ಇವೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ, 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್ ಶಿವ.
Up to this clear, ITC reconciliation part. Books versus 2B, match, mismatch, not in books, not in 2B. So the another case, if you want to reverse any of the ITC, so you'll have the options here itself, under which rule or which section you are reversing.
17.5 example.
Yes, 17.5 also available. So if you click on 17.5 in your GSTR 3B, so the record will get updated.
That's right. So let's say in that we need to categorize three category. One is availed, I mean eligible.
Yes.
Second one is reversal under 17.5, reversal under other. That's all. We have 3 options only.
Reversal under others means you will have 4 options.
Okay.
Others. Here, if you see reversal related, ITC reversed, rule 38, 42, 43, and 17.5 is the reversal.
Yeah.
If you are going to reverse under others case, then you can claim it
later.
Yes, ITC you can claim it later. That is the case of others.
Which section you have to select in options? In ERP. In ERP, let's say one particular invoice, I don't know whether I am eligible or not. Later I may claim. Now I am reversing it. Which section I have to opt?
Reversal under 37A or 37.
37 or
37. These 37, 37A.
Okay, that means others. Later we may claim. But 17.5 hakidre it will not come. We are not eligible to again to take ITC.
So 37, 37A, 16.2B, 16.2C, these 4 are reclaimable sections and rules.
Yeah.
37, 37A, 16.2B, 16.2C, these 4, it will come under reversal others, where you can reclaim later.
Okay.
Once you reversed, it will show you in which month you have reversed the ITC. If you have reclaimed, so it will show you in which month you have reclaimed.
Okay, Shiva, got it.
Respectively, your 3B also will get updated.
From here you can file 3B, na?
3B లో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఐటీసీ స్టేట్మెంట్ మొత్తం అప్డేట్ అయిపోద్ది రియల్ టైమ్ లో మీరు తీసుకునే యాక్షన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని.
Okay.
So these values you can directly enter it in the 3B and file it there.
Oh, in the portal only.
Portal. You no need to export, import, no option. Just copy the values and paste it in the portal.
Okay.
Here you will have a detailed breakup. Which transaction you have reversed, which transaction is eligible for reclaim, which one is ineligible. You can facilitate filing here also, but you need the OTP. So that is the case. Clear about the 3B?
Shiva, last question. ఇక్కడ JSON డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి అక్కడ 3B అప్లోడ్ చేయలేమా?
చేయొచ్చు. డౌన్లోడ్ చేసాను.
Entire data will be downloaded into JSON. Just you can upload, no? If you want to upload 3B in portal.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
You can file also, but majority people they will download and they will upload because
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದು JSON ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿನ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ JSON ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ITR ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 or 4 ಏನೋ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ JSON ಫೈಲು, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರು 3B. ಓಕೆ ಶಿವ.
So once GST return is filed, you execute this action, mark as filed.
Okay.
When it was filed, what is the reference number, what is the attachment?
Okay. What is the purpose? System knows that it is GST filed.
GST is filed so that you won't get any mail, reminder mails won't get generated.
Okay.
So you can send an email to the client also. So there is a separate system for monitoring the GST notifications. For that, go to the GST dashboard, manage user notifications. You can select to whom you want to send the notifications.
What notification we need to send?
So let's say GST return is filed.
Okay.
You no need to send a separate email. Okay. So once you click on the mark as filed action, system will send in email confirmation along with the acknowledgement copy.
Okay. To the designated people. If
Yes.
they want to know, they will come to know that yes, our company GST is filed.
Filed, yes. This is the option. Here you can tick mark.
Understood, sir.
GST dashboard, GSTR1. So GSTR1 related 2 options again here also. You can download the JSON, upload it here, upload in the GST portal, or else you can file it from here also. Upload to GST portal.
Oh, from here you can upload, huh?
Yes, upload to GST portal. Data will get shifted to the GST.
Okay, final upload we can do it from here or portal only?
Here itself we can do. For handling the GST actions, GSTR1, 3B, ITC, we need one OTP. So that is the case. Majority people will use download and upload in the respective portal.
After verifying everything, we can download JSON and we can upload into GST portal, right?
Yes. So all the data, including HSN summary, will get generated automatically.
Okay. No need to enter again in the GST portal.
No manual actions. Everything you will get a direct file ready to upload.
Right.
Document issued, anything, every option. So if you can see 16 records, if you click, you will go to the source information, how that 16 values, 16 records are arrived.
Everywhere you can download Excel, you can see now whether any mistake.
Yes, you can see.
In Excel format.
Every case you will have the option. Export.
Same only to download in Excel. You can see, you can verify, cross verify. Once if you're satisfied with okay, then you can upload from directly here, GSTR1.
You can see all the records every month, when what is the due date, when what is the date of filing.
Upload automatically.
GST part is clear.
Yeah.
So once it is filed from the portal, execute the option mark as filed.
Okay.
So you will get an option. Once it is ready to file, you will get an option.
Draft.
So that particular month is not yet completed, so it says draft.
Understood.
Once April month is completed, it will show ready to file.
Okay.
If the due date is passed, it will show overdue if it is not filed.
Let's say one of the customers GST, it is inactivated or suspended. Now we need to convert into B2B to B2C, Siva.
B2B to customer GST number is invalid, you mean to say? Just go to the chart of accounts, that particular party. Okay, just re-enter the GST number once again. If it is inactive or cancelled or suspended, then transaction will automatically shift into B2C.
Oh, if it is suspended, inactive, then it will classify as a B2C, na?
B2C, or else you can remove the GST number.
Okay, completely. The system comes to know that it is B2C sale.
Yes.
Point ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? B2B ಇಂದ B2C ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಈಗ P2D ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಹಾಲ್ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಅದು ಆ ತರ ನೀವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸಂಜೆದು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಅಮರಾದು ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮೈಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ GST ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತರ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ B2C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್.
So any doubts in the GST section?
GST as of now, okay.
So statutory GST part is done. So other complaints, this is only for the tracking purpose, how many registrations you are having. The optional inventory.
GST, one customer, one client will ask all at a time, all 3Bs, all 1B, all 1A, GSR 1 at a time, all PDF, GSR 3B at a time, all PDF.
Select all, download attachments.
Okay, that's all. Okay.
That's all. So now I'm going to click that action. I'll get a zip file with all attachment acknowledgement copies.
For all years,
Whatever the period top, you can see April 2025 to March, April 2026. This duration. So you can change the duration. If you give 2 years, last 2 years, you will get a last 2 years data.
1 and 3B both it will come,
Only 1. So 3B there is separate option.
Okay. I might spectrally. As of now, for GST we are using Specta. Okay, sure.
You can see the GSTR1 for all months.
Okay.
3B also you will get a separate file.
After uploading, system is keeping backup as attachment, this file?
It will be in the form of attachment. Even along with this, you can also attach supporting documents also if you have any working sheets.
Okay. I'm working.
So that in future, people will change, right? Team members will change.
Correct.
To keep the track of every GST return filings, any working or any changes in books, one record is there, you have filed GST in a different record, or there is a difference. Will attach supporting file. What is the difference? So how to adjust the differences?
After filing GST now, we want to communicate by mail, Shiva. Is it any option with attachment? All these attachments.
Just click on send mail option. Send confirmation mail. It will be delivered to the client and you also.
Let's say in confirmation mail, what and all documents that person will get?
Whatever you attach here, it will be sent to the client also.
1, 3B, my working file, challan. These 4 I need to send at a time.
You attach it here, everything. You can attach the challan file also.
Add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು attachment first, then send a mail. Okay, sure.
Next, any other doubts?
As of now, fine.
Okay. So statutory part is clear. TDS I'll explain once again. Only the configuration I explained. How you have to generate, you can file the TDS returns, I'll explain. Inventory, so majority of the case you are not.
I don't have zero inventory.
So purchase, so only the fixed
we need to enter.
Purchase part, PO,
even service provider also there are some GST purchase bills. No, that one only we are talking about.
Okay, fine. Purchase, it will be always yes, nothing, no changes are required. Fixed assets, you make it yes, okay. So if you want to calculate the depreciation as per the Companies Act or the income tax or both, use this option.
Shiva, firm ki kuda manam separate ga depreciation as per books, as per IT rendu maintain cheyalna for partnership firm kuda?
If it is LLP, we have to maintain. It will be considered as a corporate.
If it is normal partnership firm?
Only Income Tax Act.
Okay.
So here you can select which option you want, Companies Act or Income Tax or both, or no. No means no depreciation will be calculated. If you set it as yes, we will calculate the depreciation. As per Companies Act, SLM.
Companies Act maintain madilla, books prakara separate atalla. If it is LLP private unit company, then mandatory. Income tax. Income tax is other. Okay, sure.
So once you have enabled, so you will get a fixed asset register. Go to this top, you can see Companies Act and Income Tax Act. This is a summary. Summary is based on the group. So if you want to access the complete information, you can see complete FAR. So here you will get each asset ID, what is the name, then we have capitalized.
Okay, commencement of uses of asset. Put to
Yes,
use.
yes, useful life, expected retirement date, rate of depreciation.
Hmm.
So for each month, system will calculate the depreciation.
Each month.
Each month depreciation calculate అవుతుంది.
Why it's not required? No, yearly is enough. No.
So that is your wish. Okay, system will do the calculation for each month. So if you want only yearly, you can consider depreciation for the period final value.
Okay.
System won't post the entry. Okay, system only calculates the depreciation.
Okay. Okay. To know that, let's say today I want to know the status of fixed asset, then I'll come to know.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sure.
What is the carrying value? So you'll get to know from this.
But year ending, we need to pass the entry or
You have
once
to pass the entry. You have to pass the entry.
can't we select this fixed asset and put it as a past journal entry or past this depreciation entry and all?
You have to pass it manually. So you'll get a summary based on the each asset group.
Okay.
What
15%
is the
category, 10% category, like that.
So that is the Income Tax Act. So I'm talking about the Companies Act. Income tax also same. So the depreciation rates.
Okay, based on this summary sheet, we need to pass entries at year ending.
Yes.
Okay. Change the date, it will pick up automatically, no opening balances and all.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Initially, how to enter opening balances, Shiva? Let's say last year I have audited financials. Now
I've
I
explained this.
take it as opening balances.
I've explained this. So invoices also you can set it as auto numbering so that all invoice numbers will get generated automatically.
Auto number.
You can use this option.
Price issue ಅದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಇದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. If auto invoice is not required means you need to put no, na?
No. So if it is required, set it as S.
Okay.
This is the format. So in here we'll be using serial number. Start with 1. Financial year.
What is this? Text to NSI.
NSA అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ NSA తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది.
Okay, serial number. Okay, example SIL like that.
NSI దాని తర్వాత ఫార్వర్డ్ స్లాష్ సీరియల్ నెంబర్. ఈ నెంబర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది అప్ టు 31st March 2027 వరకు.
ఓకే, అండర్స్టూడ్.
నెక్స్ట్ ఏప్రిల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు అది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా రీసెట్ అయిపోద్ది 1.
అగైన్ ఇట్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ బిగినింగ్ 1.
yes.
ఓకే.
సో ఇవి వచ్చేసి మనకి టెంప్లెట్స్ కస్టమైజేషన్. టెంప్లెట్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ PDF ఫార్మాట్. సో
tax invoice format. Okay.
tax invoice formats.
Okay, out of these 5 we need to select anyone, huh?
No, you can create your own also.
With logo, with everything.
Yes. You can click on add new. So first template you can see there is a logo. So you can set. This is a configuration. So you can do whatever you want. You can upload your letterhead also. If you want to print the details on letterhead.
Where we need to upload?
Logo. Go to the edit. Background. If you want to upload the letterhead, you use this option. If you want to use the logo, use this option. Mapping logo.
Okay. Layout.
Layout, section management. The values. If you want to print the email ID and mobile numbers, you can use this. Titles, bill to, ship to, address, patch, document details, e-bill details, text, bank details, printing the bank. If you have the multiple, you can select the registration numbers, default terms and conditions, declaration, signatory. So we'll be using all digital signatures so that as soon as I generate the invoice, so all my invoices are digitally signed. If you see.
Example, Shiva, can you show me one digitally signed invoice?
So I'll show you here.
No need to put a DS attachment, huh?
No, it's all integrated in the backend itself. You can see.
It is fine. Actually signed by null letter so and so so and so. Who has signed? Is there any name?
Who has signed? This is a company digital signature we are using.
Organization DSC now.
Organization DSC.
Let's say if I need to use my DSC, then
Your DSC means you have to get your own. So there will be two types of DSCs. So for automatic signing, you have to get the document signer certificate.
that day you explained me 10,000 rupees something that only.
Yes, that one. So if you have that document signer certificate, all the documents will get signed automatically.
Okay. Let's say if I want to keep my DSC, physical DSC, one time or whenever you need, is there any option to sign not e-invoice, physical invoice?
From the ERP, you don't have option. You have to take the Autodoc signer option.
Download and then sign, then we need to send.
Yes. So this is the server sign, server to server signatures. So that is also facilitated by the Autodoc signer. So I already explained that process.
But huge cost. For us, only few people are there. DSC required signature. 3 to 4 people, 4 clients are there.
So in such a case, you can go with the desktop version. The lifetime it will be 10K. You can sign any number of files.
Oh, lifetime, not every year.
Not every year. So ADS desktop is the lifetime subscription.
What is the features will get Shiva? ADS desktop?
The same. It will run on your desktop. You can sign any number of files. You can give one folder having like 500 documents. At a stage, it will get signed all 500 documents.
ERP will access this ADP. ADS.
No. This is a desktop application.
We need through ERP connection.
Through ERP only web automatic signing. The server sign you can see, right? This is the one.
What is the cost for that yearly? Not per lifetime.
Here no lifetime. Okay, only document based signatures.
Okay.
This one also we are like reducing. We will reduce the prices from May 1st onwards. Per signature hardly 2 rupees it will get.
Okay.
As of now it is 10, so we will reduce to 2 rupees.
Okay, that we'll see.
Signature part, desktop or server. Server means automatic signatures. No manual intervention, nothing is involved. So desktop application, when we are at stock audit time, I showed you this application. So this is the trusted symbol, everything you can mention. Why you are signing the document, what is the purpose. So there is no option to tamper.
Understood.
So this is the application. License PDF.
Hello.
So these are all the properties. Even someone tries to tamper this PDF, this signature will get removed.
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay, so that is the digital signature part. Next, the invoices I explained, auto numbering part. Reminders, if you want to send automatic reminders to your customers whenever there is a bill which is due, then
Trade receivables.
Trade receivables related automatic reminders. So the next one is the user management. You want to give access. Now I am using the Nolato organization. So this particular organization, I want to give access to you guys.
These people. Okay, understood.
So I'll go to the add user. I'll provide an email ID and the access. What access you need? View only or production.
Invoices, no sales. We can give access only sales.
You can create your own roles also. So once you give the access, the respective person, they can accept the invite and access the ERP system. You can generate custom roles also. Let's say you need access only for the sales invoice, then give access for only sales invoice. Every case you will have two things: view and edit. View means they can only see and export the data or like download the file.
Okay.
They can't able to modify any information.
Anything. Okay. Only they can view.
Yeah, only they can view and download the invoice copy or export it to Excel. Only that much. Edit means they'll get a complete control. They can create the transaction, modify the transaction, download, send mail. All actions are allowed.
Okay.
So you can create the custom roles. So you can add the users.
ಅವ್ರ ಯೂಸರ್ ಐಡಿಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್ 500 rupees ಏನೋ. ಅವರು ಸಿಲಿಸಿ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, DS ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದೊಂದು ಇದೆ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ G-Star ಅನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ ಶಿವ, ಈ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Now transaction lock.
At the year ending, right?
This can be done at a year end or at the time of filing GSTR1.
Oh, okay.
So let's say what is the use? Once transaction is locked, no edit. No one will be able to edit the transaction or create a new transaction on that particular date.
But the small organization, it is not required, no, Shiva?
Small organizations also required because they will be handling the GST returns, right? So to avoid backdated transactions, it will be very helpful. Let's say
it's not an entry again. We can't go with the backdated, right?
Yes, backdated it can go. Once, let's say I am in the April month. My GSTR1 for March month is already filed. So once my GSTR is filed, so I lock my sales register. Here sales register I will lock. Sales register is locked means then no edits, no new transactions can be posted.
Okay. Go ahead, Shiva. We have only 11 minutes.
So if you are getting any transaction lock error, come to this particular page and do the dates, change that particular date. This means
edit and you need to change.
You can change the dates.
Okay. Sure, let's say one organization, they don't have any access, only we have access. Why we need to lock? We will not do any modifications.
No,
right?
That is a safeguard. Okay. Lock means it will facilitate you smoother transactions. By mistake, we will enter some date wrong. Then it will be a problem for us. We need to track the transaction. So we have to go when it was entered.
We are in 2026. Let's say by mistake you entered 2023. It will go to 2023 portal. Once it is locked, it will not allow. That's what you are saying, right?
Yes. So this means 27 to 2026. Up to this date, all transactions are locked related to sales. So I can't able to create a new transaction also on that particular date. Up to that particular date, I can create transactions only from 28th February 2026, the next date onwards.
Understood. By mistake, 2027 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ, 25 by mistake enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೇಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Branches not required.
Integrations
also not required. I think in your case.
For us, not required, Shiva. So mainly, ledger creation is a big task, right? Initially.
Yes, master data migration part.
Can you explain me one or two ledger creation, Shiva? How to create ledger, let's say office expenses, repairs and maintenance, salary.
Okay, fine. So navigate to the reports. Chart of accounts is the core for creating the ledgers. Top you can see ledgers and groups. So click on the ledgers. By default, it will be on the ledgers. Click on add new. Same how you are going to create a ledger in the tally. Same way. Okay, indirect expenses. Give the ledger name.
Printer expenses, whatever, printing and stationery.
So if the TDS is applicable, give the TDS. And what is the TDS ledger? TDS professional salary. So you can create taxability. If it is taxable, give the taxable UIM. Others. So HSN code is mandatory. Okay, if you don't have the HSN code or SSC code, provide all 4 nines. So GST rates, whatever the applicable GST rate, you can provide it. Okay. ITC, if RCM is liable, you make the RCM is S.
Put yes, okay.
So then system will automatically post the transaction under RCM.
Now we are entering into input invoices. It may be repairs and maintenance, office expenses, salary. It might be some input bill also, GST bill. In that case, you need to categorize first ledger. Main head ಯಾವುದು indirect expense. Now party name, ledger, party name ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೋ ಅದೇ ತರ main head indirect expenses. Sub head ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು office expenses. Office expenses TDS ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. TDS ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ಸಿಲಿಸಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನನಗೆ GSVR ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಫೀ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಅವರು ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ 194J ಅದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದೇ TDS ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. That's what he is explaining.
So I'll show you one transaction. So Adya, transaction type regular, place of supply Karnataka. Ledger, these are into manpower supply. So I am giving quantity as 2.5 lakhs is the value. You can see CGST is selected and TDS also automatically 2% is deducted.
Just transfer one transaction.
You can see invoice amount is this, net amount payable is 2,90,000. There is a TDS of 5,000 rupees.
One time if you create party, no, only thing is we need to give this quantity unit rate. That's all. Because already ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತು GSVR ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೆಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬರೀ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Shiva, can you show me how it will look like purchase invoice after creating purchase invoice?
After posting purchase,
okay. Show me any one bill.
This is the one journal voucher. It will get generated. Entry is this. Right inbound. What is the input CGST, SGST? What is the TDS? What is the net amount payable to party?
Payable to the party. Okay. After paid, let's say we paid through bank account. How we need to upgrade here?
So you'll have two options. Let's say only this particular invoice you have paid. Right side you can see mark as paid. Wallet symbol. Click add new. So you can choose the how you are paid through your bank account, NEFT, transaction number, date, what is the amount paid. So this is a single transaction payment entry.
Okay.
Once you submitted, you can see PDF generation. So transaction is already marked as paid. So you'll get this payment acknowledgement also.
Okay.
For that,
you will have a banking
section.
You can send a mail. Your purchase invoice so no, paid it already. Check it. They will verify.
For all payments and receipts, you can visit the banking. Here you can see all. Payment
but bank entries, Shiva, first time no. First, let's say today we are starting one new company, brand new company, or from April 2026 we are going to start. What is the first procedure we need to follow after company creation?
After company creation, complete the settings part. Once setting is done, go to the chart of accounts, create the masters, all ledgers.
Ledgers,
Once ledgers is
done, first we need to pass sales entries in the month of April, whatever we have.
If it is a new company, you can proceed. If you are already having a existing closing balances, use this opening balance option.
Oh, okay.
So you will get all the list of ledgers. You can see all the classification ledger.
This opening balance later also we can pass, right? After completing audit.
Yes, later also you can post it.
Okay.
Edit and give the respective values.
Yes, we want a quick starter, Shiva, regarding whatever companies we are maintaining monthly, no?
Yes.
So that will fill it up as sales invoices. If you have purchase invoices fill it up. Generally, purchase invoices will enter after 15th only, Shiva. Next month after getting 2B only.
Fine.
And yeah, main sales entries and bank entries, Shiva. Let's say we have Excel sheet. We need to fill one by one only, na? In banks.
So as of now, we have facilitated two things. Import your bank statement directly here using the Excel file. Excel file PDF. Excel is free of cost. Okay. If you have Excel, you directly import it in the ERP system.
Any
Once
bank it will accept.
any bank, you will get a temporary, like how the format should be the same. Almost every bank will provide you the same file.
Anyway, here I'll upload Excel sheet. What
Yes.
system will do?
System will verify all the transactions first. Bank statement is correct or not. So once validated, all the transactions will be get synced with here. You will get all the transactions here. Now you can map the expense ledger or party ledger.
Understood. So 20 days in Excel sheet I'll give you, Siva. Now
Yes.
you will export Excel sheet into ERP.
Yes.
After creating ledger, we need to do this task or before ledger creation?
First, you should have the bank ledger. Ledger you need to have. First is the ledger creation part.
So first ledger creation, then bank statement, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, you can do one by one entry also if you need, if you want.
Yes. So
Okay.
manual, you can see the add new payment receipt contra. So you can give the manual also.
Receipt payment contra, na?
Yes.
3 entries. Okay.
Once everything is done, so go to the chart of accounts, click on particular account. So you can see ledger info, that is the master data account statement. Here you will get the account statement. You can export into Excel.
Okay.
So if you click on the record, you will get to know what is the transaction, who has posted. So activity report, audit trail is perfectly maintained.
So starting, who will help us? Like, let's say if you have any query, we are stuck in somewhere, then who is the right person to tackle this?
Just to post it in our WhatsApp group, we will address immediately.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, we are having a WhatsApp group, right? You can post it.
Fine. What about ICA tie-up, Shiva?
ICA tie-up still under discussions.
Okay. Okay. Fine, Shiva.
So
what is my user ID status?
user ID is already active, fully active. You can access all the functionalities.
Can I access from now?
Share your screen and I'll let you know. If you have any issues, please.